Now, the boys and girls of MPhil and PhD, we are doing, that of a anti-test. And the first thing which I have chosen is a sentence equivalence. Sentence equivalence. Before I start this thing, I would like to tell you one thing, that it is the game of words. Okay? Now let us analyze. For instance, I read, despite their initial fears, most environmentalists now concede that the artificial reefs have had a largely dash effect on surrounding ecosystems. Now this is our question. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. A, B, C, D, E and F. Is that clear? Now, as I have earlier pointed out, that one word will try to help you to find out your answer. Is that clear? First of all, we will try to read out, out of the first one, unfounded. Is that clear? This is adjective, it means lacking responsible sport. ठीक? Benignant, harmless. Benignant means harmless. Or caustic. Caustic is not positive, but it means criticism or bitter criticism, things like that. Interminable. Again, this interminable, this word is negative. Innocuous. Innocuous. Is that clear? It's a positive word. Plaintive means mournful. So we have 6 options. Is that clear? And we need positive word. Now the question arises, why we need positive question? One word, despite, will help you to find out your answer. This is a trigger word. This is a clue word. Is that clear? Despite try to communicate opposite meaning. Okay? Or this is your trigger word. This is a clue word. So let us analyze, that is this one. Despite their initial fears. ठीक है, अब बात याद रखिएगा, ये इसके बिल्कुल उलट अब बात करेगा. Because despite plays a role of opposite. Their initial fears, most environmentalists now concede, admit or agree that the artificial reefs have had a largely dash effect on surrounding ecosystem. So we need over here positive word. Now let us analyze, that of the first one, unfounded. The word, meaning of that of this unfounded is that there is adjective and lack responsible sport. So this is not our answer. Up now the second one, benignant. Benignant means harmless. This is a positive word. So we need positive word. First of all, he tried to communicate there is something negative. Now he has used the word despite. Despite mean opposite. So benignant is positive word. So we need positive word. Is that clear? Now the caustic is again that of negative word. Interminable. Is that clear? This is also that of a negative word. Innocuous. Innocuous is a positive word. The meaning of this word is harmless, and the meaning of this word benignant is harmless. So our answer is B and D. innoxious. Is that clear? Plaintive is a mournful, is a negative word. So we need positive. Why we need positive? Because he said, despite their initial fears, that is negative thing. In the beginning he was feeling fear. Most environmentalists now mean, that of the change of things. Concede, now he is agree that the artificial reefs have made a largely benign, innoxious effect on surrounding ecosystem. So we move then now, that of it, we try to proceed further. That was the second one. Now let us analyze, that was the second one.